Hey, welcome to Yarn World.
Wow!
Golden mango, sweet and bright. A juicy treat, a summer delight. Peel it, slice it, take a bite. Mangoes make my taste buds ignite. Pineapple, spiky and round. Juicy and sweet when it's sliced down. Golden inside with a tropical taste. Pineapple's flavor you can't replace. Grapes in a bunch, green or red. Tiny and juicy, nicely spread. Pop them in one by one. Eating grapes is so much fun. Papaya, orange and sweet. Soft and juicy, a yummy treat. Scoop it out, taste the joy. Papaya's a fruit we all enjoy. Kiwi fruit, fuzzy and brown. Green inside with seeds all around. Scoop it, slice it, sweet and tart. Kiwi's flavor warms my heart.
Please subscribe to Yarn World. Thank you for watching.